Morning, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Hog Daddy here. It's February the 15th, 2023. It's high 30s, almost 40 degrees. It's supposed to get up in the 50s today. Water temperature is 43 degrees out here in the main channel. We put in there back here at Wigwam. We're gonna do a little catfishing today. I'm gonna run over here and catch some bait. You'll find the first set. We'll get back with you. Hang in there. Yeah. Trying. I don't know how it's working out very good today. I can't find bait.
No, I was back here Saturday, caught 300 on the road.
What's that?
I was back here Saturday, caught 300 on the road.
I bet, yeah. They're usually in here thick. Usually up around them buoys, you can always catch them.
All the ones I had were out there.
Yeah.
Saturday.
Are you looking for them now?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's trying to. There's some right there. 15 feet. That's a pretty good fall right there. 10 feet. Yeah, it is. It sure makes this bait easy. I might have enough in here for both of us. And I taped that. I did a video yesterday on that, on how I throw my nets. And yeah, you might as well come over here. Come over here and get you some of this. Oh yeah, shit, there's way more in here, and I only need about a dozen or two. Let me park this thing. If you'll grab the side of the boat, I'm in park, I'll hold us both. I only need a couple dozen. I'm not keeping any for after this. The only day I got the fish.
Might be bad luck. I filled my line up before I started throwing. I didn't know that.
Yeah, that's all I need. When you get what you want, we'll throw the rest back and let them grow up. There's some nice ones in here.
A dozen or so. A dozen.
I'm just going to try to
You
hand
want to
this.
try to keep the back of my boat off fishing closure so we don't pop buttons?
I'm just going to try to hand this. Oh, 20. That's all right. There's 20 in my boat. Are you catching for bait just for today or
Yeah.
for future?
I froze a lot of them that are under there.
I don't like frozen shad.
I don't either, but I fish in Missouri a lot, and sometimes it seems like
Yeah.
I can just throw whatever I want to out there. And
Come on, guys, kick
there's
it.
a lot of times I have 6 or 7, but I don't have 6 or 7 hours. I have 3 or 4 hours to get out there on the river. I don't have time to come down here and catch bait.
I usually just catch it right before I go out, and that way it's fresh. All right, here we go. Let's go find some fish. Whew. Well, we caught our bait and caught another fisherman's bait too. You guys needed shad, so why not help them out? I had way more than I needed, and we turned loose most of them, so that worked out good for both of us. All right, we're gonna go find some fish. First fish. tried the live scoping. I couldn't get them to bite. Got hung up once. Decided to get out of there. We come over here. This guy's not hooked very good. Come over here. I'm at the head of Deer Creek Cove. Decided to pull over and eat some lunch and just try this spot. Marked a lot of fish out here. Been here 10 minutes. Got 3 bites. He's gonna get wrapped up on a log or something. Yeah. Nice boxfish. Look at there. Well, it's a beautiful day out here. Can't ask for no better than this. Sure brings you mind of spring. That's a headpiece. Oh, you lucky look. That's a headpiece, unless he's swimming in the boat. He's on there. He was. Darn it. He's swimming at the boat. Yeah, I hold of the bait. He didn't have the hook in his mouth. Well, maybe he'll find it again. Well, last spot. Set up here. We got some current out here. Mud bank, a lot of timber. There's a drop off not very far out here. I can't cast them very far because then it looks to me like the fish are sitting on that channel ledge right out here behind the boat. They're not out in the channel very far. So I've got these two baited up, thrown out. This is the last spot because I want to get back to the truck before dark. I got that sunlight out of your eyes anyway. We're on the right side of that. a fish. Oh yeah. This might be one of them catch and take a picture and throw back type of fish. Oh yeah, nice fish. Nice fish. Where you go? Over here. He's looking good. Thank goodness. This is the one we come out here to get. Man, get up here. Take your picture. I'd say that's a slot fish. I don't even need to measure him, but I'm going to. Just so we know what he is. He's 29 inches long. I'm just guessing. Let me get my tape measure. That's what he is, 29 inches long. With the grippers, he's 10 pounds. He's about 10.5, we'll call him 10. He's 29 inches long and 10 pounds. Thanks for riding along, catching a few fish with me. If you like this kind of content, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, helps us out. I appreciate you all watching. Have a great day. See you next time.